Let us see how you can create a new WhatsApp channel. Click on Add New Channel. Select your WABA currency. Click on Connect. Log in with Facebook. Create a new business portfolio or a Meta business account here itself. If you have existing, you can pre-select it. Now click on Next. Always create a new WhatsApp account here. Select the create a new WhatsApp account and create a new WhatsApp business profile. Click on Next. Enter your WhatsApp account name and this will be your display name. Display name can be your brand name or your business legal name, but it should be either related to your documentation or your website URL. Select a category. You can change the category later as well. Click on Next. Enter your phone number and get an OTP on this number. You need to enter the OTP. You can get it via a phone call or a text message. Once the OTP is verified, click on Continue. Click on Finish. Now you need to wait for a few seconds. The pop-up will get automatically disconnected and you'll be able to see your channel here. Click on Connect, enter a name. You can select a color for your channel. Click on Create Channel. Able to see your channel here and you'll see that the number status is pending. Click on the WhatsApp icon, click on two-factor authentication, enter a 6-digit PIN here. You need to remember this PIN, so kindly keep it an easy 6-digit number for yourself and click on register PIN. Once the PIN is successfully submitted, you can refresh the page once and then you will see that the number is now connected.